welcome to Funology, learning with fun. So friends, if you still haven't subscribed my channel, do it now and don't forget to press the bell icon. Yes, so friends, the sun is shining bright and that makes us all feel thirsty. Yes, a lot of water and fresh fruit juices we need to make us feel better in this heat. Yes, I'm feeling so hot and sweaty. Can you guess which season is going? Yes, it's the summer season, and these summer months are the hottest months of the year. And in India, the summer months are March, April and May, and it extends till June and July. Yeah, so how can we save ourselves from this hot weather and bright sun? Oh, let me wear my sunglasses. Yeah, now I'm feeling better. Let me wear my hat too. Oh yes, now I'm feeling much better. Now I'm ready to go out in sun with this hat and my sunglasses, and I have put on some sunscreen lotion also. Yes, and you know, during summer we love to go for swimming. Yes, and we drink lot of fresh water, fresh juices, cold drinks, and those who love ice creams, this summer season should be the favorite season for them. Yes friends, and during summer season, what all fruits we get? Sunmelon, muskmelon, mango and watermelons. Yes, and you know the interesting fact about watermelons? It's not a fruit, it's a vegetable. Yes, it is from the cucumber family. It's a vegetable. So friends, today we are going to do one craft, and that is summer craft. And you want to know what all we are going to make today? You want to know? We are going to make a summer hand fan. Yes, so quickly note what all we need. We need some colored sheets, a pair of scissors and glue. To make one hand fan we need 3 sheets, right? And the first step is we are going to fold it like this. We are going to do the zigzag folds, right? Fold from here and then from the other side. Then turn the sheet, again fold it from here. These zigzag folds also called the fan folds. Yes, one from this side and the other fold from the other side. Again turn the sheet and fold. Again turn the sheet and fold. Yeah, so these are the zigzag folds, and we need to fold 3 sheets like this. Yeah, see, one is done. And I have already folded 2 and 3 sheets. So let's start with the second step. We are going to fold it like this. Need to put some glue in the center and then fold, paste it like this and press. See? Now let's take the second folded sheet and fold it like this again, and the same step will follow. Put some glue here and again. Paste it together, press, and done. Now third, you are going to tell me what we are going to do. Let's take the third folded sheet. Yes, fold it like this. Put some glue. And done. See, we have got 3 folded sheets like this. Yeah, now we are going to paste it together. We are going to paste all these 3 folds together. See, here I am going to put some glue and let's stick it with the second folded sheet. Same way, we'll paste the third one. So easy, it's very easy. We need to hold it tightly for some time and see, it's so easy. Now we need to make the hand sticks. So for that we need 2 long strips like this, and we are going to fold it to make it stiff. Let's put some glue again. Yes. And now let's paste it here. Let's hold it like this and we'll paste it the hand stick like this, and we need to paste on the both sides. I've already prepared one. See, it's so easy. It's so easy to make, and zoop, zoop, zoop. It's ready. Yeah. Wow. So nice. Yeah. So go and try. Let's make this hand fan. Yeah. And if you like the video, don't forget to like and share. Bye-bye.